Well, it's the second day of blizzard of January 2018, and I drove around the neighborhood, went to take some photos of the events and how people are faring. So I put together this video to show you what was going on. Oh, I hit the streets are terrible along Mercury Boulevard. It was really bad. People could hardly even cross the street. It was horrible. Here, this poor woman, I caught her trying to get into her house. She had to climb up to the second window. Here's people shoveling out their cars. It was so high they could barely get it out. The poor mailman had to climb up and get to his work there. Terrible, terrible snow amounts. Here, the people are going to the train station in Newport News, trying to get on the train, and this Mr. and Mrs. Zimmerman had a little accident. They had to be taken off because of frostbite, but they seem to be doing okay as they're leaving. But it was really a rough time.